If you have encountered error 87, the cleanup image option is unknown while trying to run a DISM, which is the Deployment Image Servicing and Management Scan on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Don't worry. This issue is usually caused by a disabled or improperly configured Windows Modules Installer service. Fortunately, there is a quick and simple fix. Let's jump right into it. Click on the Windows key and then the R key on your keyboard, and then type in services.msc. Then you press enter on your keyboard. Now, once the services window opens, scroll down and then find Windows Modules Installer. Now, right click on the Windows Modules Installer and then click on Properties. Set the startup type to automatic. Then you click on apply, then you click on OK. Now, then you right click on it once more, then you click on start from the pop-up list. You should be able to run your DISM scans without any issues. And if this method don't work for you, you can also try the second method. Click on the Windows search icon and then type in CMD. Right click on the CMD and then run it as an administrator. Type the following commands one by one and press enter after each. Type in sc.exe space config space trustedinstaller space start equal to space auto. Once you are done typing in this command, press enter on your keyboard. You get this message saying change service config success. Now enter the second command. Enter net space start space trustedinstaller. Then you press enter on your keyboard. Once you are done, rerun the DISM command and it should work without any errors. This method ensures that the trusted installer service is set to start automatically, preventing any issues when running the DISM scans. That's it for this tutorial. Your problem should be resolved. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting tips. See you in the next one.